We gathered for a unique workshop, Mindful Relating, the Somatic Way. Together we explored the body, mind, and heart connection and how we relate to ourselves and others. Our guides, Pam and Amber, set the stage for sharing the purpose to learn how somatic awareness can transform the way we connect with ourselves and each other.
This is a normal part of being a human. It's actually kept us surviving up to this point. And I think that meditation and some of these other, psychology practices are helping us to evolve beyond that, because if we're able to detach from some of these ego states and able to truly see that person outside of those stories.
We began with simple, powerful exercises. What does our body feel when we say yes? What about no? And in between, the space of maybe. These practices brought awareness to the subtle wisdom within us.
So we'll begin to transition to the maybe, noticing the sensations of hesitation, of I don't know.
Coming together, we shared reflections in small groups. Even when our words differed, we found deeper resonance in one another's experiences.
Thing is when I was really trying to reflect on yes in my body. I've had a little bit of a stressful week, and I came into this feeling still a little tension, or maybe a lot of tension. But as I started to just think yes, my body started to relax a little bit, right? And my shoulders sort of were releasing a little bit, and it felt like everything was moving back.
Melissa led us in a gentle practice of self-massage, reminding us that even the simplest touch, when given with love, can awaken healing and connection.
So whatever's going on, like fluid inside, congestion, also very helpful. You can even, since you're close to this area, put your fingers in together and start while you're holding.
And we danced. We reflected and we embraced freedom, discovering that joy and laughter are just as much as part of the mindful relating as stillness is. Stories touched our hearts, from parenting with presence to transforming stress into ease. Participants shared how their practices open new ways of being free and present in life.
I spoke to my husband too, Michael, we agree that when we are relaxed, when I'm relaxed and give her time, give her some heads up that, you have 5-10 minutes more to stay in bed and, to slowly walk her through the routine. That rather than I'm being so stressed out and tell her, you gotta go, we have to go. It gave different reactions, from Amanda as well.
Together we discovered the harmony of body, mind, and spirit. And thank you everyone who joined for this event and sharing this special journey together. Truly, all is well.